So this screen that you are seeing actually comes from XOP networks. This is what we refer to as is the real view. A real view gives you a real-time view of a running conference. So as you can tell, there are two call legs from extension 201 and 202 which have dialed in, and they are actually in a conference. If I have another line, that will be third line that will also get into the conference. So this real view is a very useful tool, because with this you can actually see who is on the call. So first of all, from a security perspective, it is really important. The second good benefit of this is, in case there is noise on certain lines, the color shows up here in green, which helps us detect if there's a noisy line or not. So there are several good things that we use this real view for. Anyway, this is one of the important aspects of XOP's conference.